Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to access coursehero documents for free? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how you can get free access to all kinds of coursehero materials just by uploading your own documents. We all know that coursehero has amazing study resources, but it can be tough to access them without paying. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. Get free access simply by uploading documents. All you have to do is visit my website, where I've set up a simple system. Once you're on my website, you'll see a section where you can find link to download 50 documents. Just upload 10 of them, and you'll automatically unlock free access to coursehero materials. It's a great way to get what you need for your studies, at no cost. It's really that simple. Upload your documents, and once they're approved, you'll be granted access to the coursehero files available on the site. There's no subscription, no fees, just free, instant access after you upload your documents. How easy is that? It's a win-win. You contribute your own study materials, and in return, you get access to hundreds of coursehero resources for free. Remember, the link to the website is in the description below. Go ahead, upload your documents, and get the coursehero materials you need without spending a penny. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and free resources. I'll see you in the next video.